One builder in New Bombay, a very good story. So Vishal, I first tried to sell on carpet. It didn't work. I changed to super built up area. I got exactly the same amount I was looking for. I changed nothing, but sales happened.
डेवलपर्स आर डूइंग दिस और तुम बिना समझे उनको कम एरिया के लिए ज्यादा पैसे पे कर रहे हो. वेलकम टू द एपिसोड 1 ऑफ द एबीसीज ऑफ रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टिंग इन इंडिया. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द एरिया टर्म्स व्हिच आर मस्ट नोन टू एवरी रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टर. द फर्स्ट टर्म इज कारपेट एरिया, which is also called as usable carpet area. Whenever you enter into your home, the area which can be covered if you paste a carpet, that area is called as the carpet area. This does not include your internal partition walls or balcony. But from 2016 onwards, after introduction of RERA, the usable carpet area is now converted into RERA carpet area. And by definition, RERA carpet area is the usable carpet area plus the space occupied by the internal partition walls. अब RERA carpet area जो है वो usable carpet area के लगभग 5% ज्यादा होता है. Now the most important thing that you should remember is whenever you are going to buy a property in the newer construction, you should buy it on the basis of RERA carpet area. And if you are buying a resale property, then you should buy it on the basis of the usable carpet area. And if you want to find out the exact RERA carpet area of any project, then उस project का RERA registration number RERA की official website पे use करके आप check कर सकते हो. Now the second term is built up area. In the same usable area, if I now include the internal and external walls along with the balcony, this area becomes the built up area. The third term is the super built up area. It is the total of your built up area along with the areas outside your house which include your amenities like lifts, corridors, swimming pool, staircase, etc. And all of this common area proportionately divided into the number of units that are present in the building. This combined area is called as the super built up area. और usually यही super built up area sellable area होता है. When we compare the carpet area, built up area and super built up area, तो अगर आपका super built up area is 1000 square feet, then your built up area must be 30% less than the super built up area, that is 700 square feet. और उससे भी 5% नीचे आएगा आपका RERA carpet area, that is 650 square feet. The cheat code for this particular reel, उस listing का sellable area पूछो और sellable area को RERA carpet area, built up area and super built up area में divide करने के बाद compare करो. In that way you will know कि आप जितना area use कर रहे हो उसके against कितनी price pay कर रहे हो. Comment RERA and I will send you a detailed document explaining the things that we discussed in this reel. Share this reel with your friend who wants to invest in the real estate and follow for the next episode on home loan, your easiest guide ever. See you in the next one.